force. Security. Hey boys. Oh, I got my tennis can. This is Jack in a position we like to call flapjack. The only one that can do it.
You don't have to hold that pen because she's going to make you sign that.
Our boy Ethan is signing his life
yes.
away. He's excited. He's buying
and
this wonderful stone house.
He said no changes to the house.
Okay.
And so you, buyer, sign.
Good.
There's our man. Bought him a house. He did it.
I bought myself a home. Crazy.
Another wonderful day at the Royal We have a store full of happy homecoming shoppers. I'm back at the register again. Look at that. Has anybody ever seen a dog so cute? Barely looks like it burned from the front, sort of like Hope Farm again. It was really right kind of in the middle back of the house. Always loved this great tree. And that wonderful sun porch. So, we should have taken the siding off of it. All right, you guys brave enough to go in with me? I'm brave enough to go in, but I'm afraid it's gonna break my heart to go in and see the shape that it's in now. So this is gonna be my first time in to the house after it burned. But you can see the siding was a large lap siding. That's got to be at least 12 inches, if not more. Which it's been covered with aluminum siding since we owned it. And we weren't brave enough back then to take the siding off. So let's go in and see what we see. Got that smell, I'm accustomed to that. This was our custom window seat that we built. This is gonna be sad reminiscing. It's raining right now, just lightly, so it's raining in the house because there is no roof. All of the ceiling gone there. Where most of the fire happened back here. Our coffered ceiling. There's what we wanted. Turn the flashlight on so you guys can see. It's a great bathroom, but this is actually in good shape, it looks like. Sure is. I'd like to just take that whole thing. Maybe too wide, actually. Do a little measuring here. Yeah, that was our vanity, custom vanity that we had built. The marble, not this marble, but all this marble came from Bathhouse Row in Hot Springs, Arkansas. We've got a video on Bathhouse Row, at least one of the bathhouses. Very cool place. Very cool to have that marble. Our marble guy is the one that brought that to us. We like, well, how'd you get it? Well, he had to redo some stuff there, so that's how we ended up getting that marble. But now just getting rained on. This was our bedroom. This looks familiar, but this is way better than we got Hope Farm, obviously. These two double doors are fantastic. This mantle, all of this woodwork, still in great shape. We'd come out and salvage the heck out of this place if they'd let us. I'm not gonna go upstairs. So, it's the sad reality. I'll show you in the kitchen real quick. So the fire really was up there. I'm surprised it didn't burn down further, but fire wants to burn up, so I guess that's why. This original butler pantry. Original doors, original windows. These 6/6 windows are nice. A lot smaller than the ones at Hope Farm, but it's a quick tour. They still got a lot of work to do to take this down, but I haven't heard any plans. I don't think they're gonna try and save it. It's heartbreaking, really. This beautiful glass, original glass doors. Still got wavy glass. Yeah, kind of see it. Well, y'all, they're taking down our first restoration, struck by lightning and burned, and while we could have saved it, there was nobody willing to step up here and save it, so they're taking it down slowly but surely.